Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? Hope you're good. Have you ever just seen something you're like, I gotta have it? Right here. It was one of those things I seen last week, and I had to have it. It's so cute. It is this. It's snow me time. This was a bundle. You got a 6x6 paper pad. You got some like stickers, and then you got 3 stamps. So let's check it out. Let's see. Look at it. It's called Snow Me Time. Look at these. You get the little bird and the mushrooms and snowflake and another bird and some mushrooms and some little bird and poinsettia and then the little gnome, the gifts, the bird house, the little mushroom house. That. Oh my God, it's so cute. And then this one is it's Snow Me Time. You get the real reindeer, the gnome Santa looking dude. Poinsettia, some more mushrooms. God, they're so adorable. And here we go. We got the gnome with the reindeer, a little mushroom house, a little girl gnome, and looks like a present. So cute. So we get the 3 stamps. And then we got 3D decoupage, 5 designs, 2 sheets of each. Let's check it out. Oh man. So we got like this. It says level 1. It says layer 1. There's this layer something. So, okay, this goes up here. Oh, I see how you do this. It's basically, I'm just gonna do this one. And I bet you don't even have to. You would go like this, and then so that you go like that. Then you'd grab this one, and that would go there. Oh, because they're all in. So this was layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, another layer 3. Oh, that's kind of cool how that works. But you don't really necessarily have to do that though. So we got that one. And we got the little girl. And we got this one. And this one. And then this one. And this is just pieces. These are all layered. That's kind of cool, actually. Them are cool. And then we got the 6x6 paper pad. It's made by OC. Oh, look at it. You can use the cover. I got the little cutouts. Like the scenery. Got the trees. It's got a little shimmer to this one. Sorry, I got the sniffles. Little snowflakes. All the little birds on one side. Oh, look at the pretty paper. Or that pretty present. That's kind of pretty. And then stripes. And then the hearts. I don't know so much about the hearts at Christmas, but it's cute. Oh, excuse me. The reindeer. And then like old-fashioned writing. And then red design and then green I like that. Then it's pine cones and poinsettia. That's pretty. And then the stripes on one side. Mushrooms. And then mushrooms. So there's 2 different colors of mushrooms. Polka dots and so lighter polka dots and darker polka dots. And then some more you can cut out on fussy cutout. That's cool. I like how they did that on the covers. So that is the Snow Time collection that I purchased. And I will have the gal that I bought these. Her name is Scrap It Crafting Tina's Treasure. She's actually from Wisconsin too. So I will have all her information linked in the description box below. So if you would like to go check her out. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.